When it comes to getting a travel trailer or fifth wheel, it's comforting to know some manufacturers have been in the business for a long time. Jayco has been creating campers for over 50 years. A great line of large travel trailers and fifth wheels is the Jayco Eagle HT. Let's do a thorough look over of the amazing Eagle HT features before we fly right into some select floor plans. Promising, I won't wing it, and that's enough Eagle bird puns, I think. Let's step right in and look at the beautiful kitchen. It's both light and bright. The doors, drawers, and trim are all handcrafted and glazed. The drawer guides are heavy-duty, full extension, steel ball bearing guides capable of holding up to 75 pounds and have soft closed drawers. The kitchen sink is stainless steel and sits embedded in a solid surface countertop, plus has a bamboo sink cover. As far as appliances, you're going to get stainless steel range with glass cover, a sleek microwave, and a nice size fridge. A 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge in the Eagle HT fifth wheel, and a 10 cubic foot gas electric fridge in the travel trailers with a 12 volt fridge as an option. The kitchen rolls right into the main living area where the LED lighting has dimmer switches and blackout roller shades can make it dark for ambiance. Relax and theater seating found in a lot of Eagle HTs or the luxurious trifold sofa. As for the TV, you'll get a 4K Ultra Smart TV with fully digital HDMI output and a 12 volt multimedia system with Bluetooth capability. Let's retire to the comfy bedroom. The mattress is a very comfortable residential queen mattress with a king-size option in the Eagle HT travel trailers. Within the bedroom, you'll also find gas-strutted underbed storage, dual USB charging ports located on both sides of the bed, where you'll also find outlets for your CPAP machine. Regarding those dual USB charging ports, you're going to find them in the living area and bunk areas where applicable. Let's step into the bathroom. The first thing you'll notice is the fancy LED-backed medicine cabinet with custom framed mirror. More light comes via the skylight and blue LED key lights. The bathroom also has a very handy tile backsplash as well as a porcelain toilet. Before we head out to the Eagle HT exterior, I can't forget about cooling or heating. With its 50 amp service, the Eagle HT has the Helix cooling system that includes a 15,000 BTU whisper quiet AC with insulated ducts, directional and closable AC vents, and larger return vents, plus a second ducted AC prep in the bedroom. For warmth, you get a 35,000 BTU furnace, and select models also have a fireplace. As for the Eagle HT exterior, let's start with getting in and out via the More Ride step above entry steps with blue LED light. Fancy, yet functional. Under the electric patio awning with dimmable LED lights, you'll get marine-grade speakers so you can keep on dancing the night away. The exterior also has your digital TV antenna with Wi-Fi prep and the fully enclosed lighted docking center with selectable water connections, outside shower, black tank flush, and winterization hookups. Storage space is ample as you get pass-through storage with slam latch baggage doors. To help you set up camp quickly, the fifth wheels have electric front landing legs and rear electric stabilizer jacks with auto leveling system standard. The Eagle HT travel trailers have stabilizer jacks and power tongue jack standard with power stab jacks and auto leveling options. More power? How about the convenience of battery-saving solar? An Eagle HT gives you rooftop and ground solar prep and the optional Overlander 2 solar kit that includes two 190-watt panels, a solar controller, and 1,800-watt inverter. Also, to help extend the battery's life, you get a battery disconnect. Eagle HTs don't spare any expense in the tire department either, as they come with Goodyear Endurance tires with an undermounted Goodyear spare. Anything else? You better believe it. You'll get an observation camera prep for both sides and rear with an optional camera kit, and in the rear a 2-inch accessory receiver. Eagle HTs have a couple noteworthy options as well. Generator prep to add more power, 110 12-volt tank heaters to extend your camping season, and an outside griddle to flip some hotcakes. Part of enjoying the campground experience is knowing your RV is built to last. Jayco Eagle HT fifth wheels and travel trailers are solidly put together. Every Eagle HT has strong-hold VBL vacuum-bonded side, rear, and slide side walls, and a Magnum Truss roof system with one-piece seamless roof material that holds a 20-year warranty. Also, think about extended or full-time camping. Every Eagle HT comes with Climate Shield 0-degree tested weather protection that includes a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, double-layer fiberglass bat insulation in ceiling and floor, and double-sided radiant barrier insulation all over. Let's move into floor plans. I want to hit the Eagle HT travel trailers first, but before we do, I want to give you some of the specs. Eagle HTs require a bigger truck to haul them, as on average their unloaded weight sits around 8,000 pounds and can stretch out to 38 feet. They're big fellas with lots of room. Let's check out a couple family-friendly bunkhouses. First up, the 284 BHOK, a layout where it's conceivable you can sleep up to an amazing 10. You'll get big double-over-double bunks with storage space and a massive slide-out to expand the living area. The entertainment center swings out to expose a large walk-in pantry. The 284 BHOK also has a large outdoor kitchen. The 312 BHOK has a private bunk room with 2 twin bunks and a trifold sofa. Opposing slide-outs in the living area make room for a wide kitchen island. The master bedroom has a trio of closets, and outdoors you'll get an outside kitchen. The 321 BHOK sleeps 9. The 320 FBOK, while it can sleep up to 5, is an Eagle HT designed for a couple. You'll get a large bathroom with a walk-in closet and washer-dryer prep. The living area has a large slide-out plus a corner pantry. In the master bedroom, the bed is in a slide and you get a sofa. As for Eagle HT fifth wheels, you'll find a great set of floor plans. The Eagle HT is a half-ton fifth wheel, hence the HT, so it'll be a tad lighter than a full profile one. Most are a little over 9,000 pounds dry and run about 29 to 37 feet in length. There are quite a few half-ton trucks that can tow them, but always check your truck's capabilities. The popular 28.5 RSTS has opposing slide-outs in the living area that accommodate a wide kitchen island. In the master bedroom, you'll find a wardrobe slide and easy access to the walk-through bathroom. The 28.5 RSTS is designed for the camping couple, but can still sleep up to 4. It also has an outside kitchen. Bunkhouses are popular and the Eagle HT line has a half-ton of them. Haha, funny. One is the 29.5 BHDS. This floor plan has double-over-double bunks with easy access steps. In the living area, you'll find a large slide-out and a swing-out entertainment center that exposes a walk-in pantry. Up front, the wardrobe slide is shared by the walk-through bathroom. The 29.5 BHDS can sleep up to 9. Another is the 29.5 BHOK. The 29.5 has a unique bunk system in its private bunk room, a set of stacked triple twin bunks plus step storage. The 29.5 BHOK also has a large slide-out and a large bedroom that's easy to maneuver around. The 29.5 BHOK can sleep up to 9. As shown, the Jayco Eagle HT, a series of half-ton travel trailers and fifth wheels, has the camp features you want to make you and your camp family feel right at home. Whatever Eagle HT you decide on, we're sure you'll be a very happy camper.